Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Science S. In this channel we discuss about the main and interesting fact of science and mathematics. Till now we have discussed about geometrical shapes, its perimeter and some areas of the some figures. Today we will talk about the areas of some 3D figure. Please watch my video till the end so that the concept of finding the areas of 3D shape will be clear. Let's come to the point. Area 4, that is for 3D, means 3-dimensional. Let's come to the first point, that is cube. We know that cube. What is cube? Cube is all the sides are equal and it is in box type. Okay, this length is equal, this is also equal, this is also equal. It is like a square. So there are 6 faces are there. So the total surface area will be 6L square. 6 faces are there. That should be 6L square. That will be the area of total surface area of cube. In the second case, cuboid. Here is also the 6 faces are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the total surface area of the cuboid will be L into B, 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Total multiplied by, it will be in the bracket, L into B, B into H and plus H into L. 6 surfaces are there. These 2 surfaces there is 2 surfaces there is 2 surfaces there. So it will be 2 into whole into LB plus BH plus HL. Let's come to the cylinder. In cylinder we know that it is can shape. It has one height is there. This is called height and this is circular in shape. This base is circular in shape and top is also circular in shape. So area of this plus area of this and this curve area will be the total surface area. So the area will be 2 pi r h. This is the surface of this curve area of the cylinder and pi r square is the area of this circular area. This is circle. So there are 2 circles are there, 2 top and bottom. So it will be 2 pi r square. So the common thing is 2 pi r is common in both the cases. So 2 pi r will take outside and inside the bracket h plus r will be there. So the total surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi r into h plus r. R is the radius of the circle, this bottom and this r will be the same. If it is 4 centimeter means this will be also 4 centimeter. So friends, let's revise again. The total surface area of the cube will be 6L square. Since all the length are of same size, that's why it will be 6L square. 6 faces are there, that will be 6L square. And the total surface area of the cuboid will be 2 into L plus B into H. Total area will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 6 faces are there, so 6 faces will be there. Total area will be 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. This is the length, this is the height and this is the breadth. Here. In cylinder, total surface area will be 2 pi r h plus pi r square. 2 pi r square. Pi r h is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area. And 2 pi r square is the area of this circular shape. 2 circular shapes are there, that's why 2 will be there. So this total surface area will be 2 pi r. This 2 pi r is the common in both the cases, that's why we have taken out 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. This will be the total surface area of the cylinder. So the friends, I think the concept of finding the area of some 3D figures is clear. So you have seen that how easy is to find this total surface area of cube, cuboid and cylinder. In the next coming video, we'll find surface area of some other 3D shape. If you like the video, please press the like button. Please subscribe my channel also. Also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.